Imagine living in a beautiful former convent in the Umbrian countryside. This spacious, semi-detached home was built in 1739 and has been carefully and tastefully renovated to retain many historic character features while providing all of the desirable modern conveniences. With a very well thought out and family-friendly floor plan, along with a working fireplace in the living room, and over 4,000 square metres of private land, this is truly a dream home. With 120 square metres of living space, it has 2 bedrooms, a modern heating system, storage cellar, and a lovely covered porch on the ground floor. Some of the impressive features include built-in wooden wardrobes, terracotta tiles and flooring, exposed stone and brick walls, and wooden ceilings and window shutters. It's also in a very desirable location near the village of Montecastrilli, which is midway between Orvieto and Terni. It's an hour from Perugia and the Umbria International Airport, and about an hour and a half from Rome and both the Adriatic and Tyrrhenian coasts. This would make a wonderful full-time home, holiday home, or rental investment, and a perfect base to explore the incredible surrounding area. This home just came on the market at the beginning of April, and the asking price is €130,000. A link to the realtor's original listing and contact information can be found in the video description below. We hope you enjoyed today's house we love. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support is always very much appreciated.